Staying on the court, even though the NBA season finished about 2 months ago, it doesn't mean that we can start thinking about next season. With all that went on during this past offseason, LeBron going home to Cleveland, the Clippers being sold to Steve Ballmer, and so on, we can now schedule our trips to games since earlier today the NBA schedule was released.
And let's take a look at the Suns' schedule. They open up on October 29th against the Los Angeles Lakers, followed by a spooky matchup against San Antonio on Halloween. Some key division rival matchups to look out for would be against Golden State on November 9th and the Clippers on November 15th. There are only 3 national televised games this season for the Suns: January 28th against Washington and the 30th against Chicago, both on ESPN, and then on February 5th against Portland on TNT. The Suns finished last season with a 48-34 record and barely missed the playoffs. And the Phoenix Suns really quieted the critics last season after being picked to finish pretty much last. And I mean, they came close in the NBA.
Yeah, I think part of their success was them training up here in Flagstaff, and they get to come back to Flagstaff on September 29th for a 5-day training camp.
Yeah, I'm planning on going out there, and it was fun last year, so I'm sure it'll be a good time again this year.